In this video, I will show you how to fix high CPU usage on Chrome. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, if you do find that Google Chrome is using a lot of your CPU, there's a couple of things you can do to reduce your CPU usage. So to start with, open up Google Chrome, and what you want to do is come up to the top right hand corner, click onto the three dots, and on this menu you want to come down and hover over more tools just down here. On the sub menu that comes up, come and click onto Task Manager, and you're going to get something come up like this. Now, what I would recommend doing is ending some of these tasks and extensions. I would recommend things like Subframe. If you see anything called Subframe, you can end this task just by simply clicking to highlight and then clicking onto End Task. Now, you can also do this for extensions. If you see any extension showing up here that you're not really using, just give it a click and again click onto End Task. Once you've done that, go ahead and close down your Google Chrome Task Manager, and what you can now do is come back up to the top right hand corner, click onto the three dots, and this time you want to come and hover over extensions and then click onto manage extensions. Now in here, what I would recommend doing as well to reduce your CPU usage for Chrome is turning off or disabling any extensions that you're not really using. So to do that, just find an extension that you're not using, click onto the switch like this, and that's actually going to turn this extension off. And the final thing you can do to make sure that your CPU usage is running good and you're not using a high CPU usage for Google Chrome is if you come up again to the top right hand corner, click onto the three dots, and what you want to do is hover over Help and then click onto About Google Chrome, and you want to make sure that you have got the most up-to-date version of Google Chrome. If there is an update available, you're going to see a button to click, and what it's going to do is update and relaunch Google Chrome, and this is going to contribute and help with a high CPU usage as well. So that is how to fix high CPU usage on Chrome. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.